Hello, welcome to the channel XYZ. So you are seeing the cloud formation in the Kodchaudhary Betta, where we are standing at the top of the hill. And now the sunset is going to begin, where sun is behind the clouds, and it is Kandamuchayata Adin. Next, the sun comes down, and the reflection of the sun you can see in the the reflection you can see in the sea. The sea you are seeing is the sea. So I am leaving the torch to the sun. Suryange Torcha. So this is the concept that we want to show you. So please see the concept. This is Suryange Torcha. And slowly turn the camera to the clouds, where the clouds are coming up like a Bhuta, and it is forming. Before there, it was a lovely scenery, greenery was there. All the greenery is now covered by the clouds. The clouds are beautiful because the clouds are the formation. So we are now ready to dive onto the clouds. Please be ready. I am now diving on the cloud. Now dive.